This afternoon, we're going to go through the procedure on a 20-inch round Jim Black hatch to replace all of the working components. The first step will be to put on the non-locking handles. First, we're going to take the outside handles and place them on our hatch glass. Then we're going to install an O-ring that seals from the inside. The outer handle already has the O-ring installed in it when you receive it. The next step will be to install the proper spacer for this particular handle. Okay. Then we place on our handle, which has a square shape on the inside to receive the outer handle, and the alignment of these two handles should be in the same direction. Ready? Once we've installed the inner handle and the assembly is pressed down tight, we install the center fastener with a Phillips screwdriver. You want to tighten this moderately tight, and if you have some Loctite or possibly some silicone handy, you're going to want to put a little bit on this screw so that it stays tight while you're out in the getting some chop and various vibration in the use of your vessel. Next, we're going to install the adjuster arm. In your kit, you will have received an aluminum shaft with an end piece on it that has been pre-assembled. You're going to want to install that into the adjuster arm bracket and snug up the adjuster arm nut. Next, we will install the adjuster arm onto the frame. This is done with the stainless steel bolt that's provided and stainless steel washer. The washer goes between the bracket and the boss. Now this is going to be difficult in a hatch that's in the field just due to the tight fit of the bracket, the frame, and the associated pieces. Now that we've got this installed and it's snugged, quite snug, we're going to need to loosen the adjuster arm nut so that this rod can be extended up and positioned with the outer handle. We place the outer handle through the glass as shown, install our washer that's been common with the rest of our assembly, and then we place the bracket over the outside handle. With your locking handle kit, it is very important that the inner sleeve be positioned such that the long slot favors the side of the handle where the locking mechanism moves. This needs to be placed internally and then pushed down snug. Once we have completed this, we can now install our handle into the rest of our assembly as we have done previously. The locking handle requires a fastener that is 1/4 of an inch longer than the non-locking handles. It's very important when you receive your kits that you get the fasteners in the right spots. With your Phillips screwdriver, tighten your fastener down to a reasonable torque. Once again, if you have some Loctite or silicone available, apply a small amount to the threads to prevent loosening over time due to vibration.